Hello people. Are you looking for a data backup without a disaster recovery plan? Take a cloud backup and recovery service to copy and archive the files on a remote server. With this service, the data is transmitted over a secure network to the cloud-based server. The cloud-based disaster recovery is an infrastructure as a service to back up the data on a remote server. 403 Tech Incorporated is a leading name when it comes to backup and disaster recovery services. They offer their clients an inexpensive and easy way to store and protect their data. Cloud services help small and medium businesses boost their performance and productivity seemingly exponentially. Browse www.403tech.com to know more. You can even call them on 403-215-7506.